I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a car. I have a car. I have a dog. I have a dog. I have a house. I have a house. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. I have a best friend. I have a best friend. I have a beautiful garden. I have a beautiful garden. I have many relatives. I have many relatives. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a lot of energy today. I have a lot of energy today. I have good communication skills. I have good communication skills. I have traveled to many countries. I have traveled to many countries. I have learned a new language. I have learned a new language. I have never been to London. I have never been to London. I have a cup of tea. I have a cup of tea. I have some fruits. I have some fruits. I have a chocolate. I have a chocolate. I have eaten lunch. I have eaten lunch. I have a bottle of water. I have a bottle of water. I have a job. I have a job. I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. I have an important meeting today. I have an important meeting today. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. I have a degree in science. I have a degree in science. I have an appointment with the doctor. I have an appointment with the doctor. I have to go to the market. I have to go to the market. I have to finish this project today. I have to finish this project today. I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have some savings in my bank account. I have some savings in my bank account. I have a new apartment. I have a new apartment. I have lost my wallet. I have lost my wallet. I have no cash with me. I have no cash with me. I have bought a new laptop. I have bought a new laptop. I have a great interest in music. I have a great interest in music. I have a habit of reading books. I have a habit of reading books. I have a passion for painting. I have a passion for painting. I have a collection of stamps. I have a collection of stamps. I have joined a dance class. I have joined a dance class. I have seen this movie before. I have seen this movie before. I have met him once. I have met him once. I have visited the Taj Mahal. I have visited the Taj Mahal. I have lived in Delhi for 5 years. I have lived in Delhi for 5 years. I have never eaten sushi. I have never eaten sushi.